Hello, everyone. It's so nice to see you here. I'm here with Lyndell Drever, and we would like to share a little bit about our Enneagram, our Embodied Enneagram Workshop Series that's coming up starting October 22nd. And we'll have all the information and the dates and everything below, so make sure you check that at the end and we'll remind you. And a little bit about myself. I'm Leah Marie Cerna from Studio 9 Yoga, and I studio manage there. I make arrangements for all these beautiful events to happen in our studio. And also I teach yoga classes. And I'm very excited to be collaborating with Lyndell on this project because it feels very near and dear to our hearts, and we're so excited. And so I'm going to pass it over to Lyndell now, and she's going to talk a little bit about what the workshop will be like and introduce herself as well. So Lyndell, welcome.
Thank you, Leah. Yes, I'm Lyndell, and I'm so excited to be offering this to our community and getting to collaborate with Leah. What I am most excited for with this workshop is getting to offer some of the knowledge and understanding of the Enneagram, but then combining it with the yoga and movement to really integrate it so you get the whole body experience. And I took a lot of my training through the Prairie Jubilee program. That's where I did my embodied mentorship training, and the Enneagram was really integrated through that. And so what we're hoping to offer is through the 3 weekends, and each weekend is going, or day, sorry, is going to focus on, there's 3 centers of intelligence with the Enneagram. So the head, heart, and gut. And so each session will focus on that. And it's beautiful because the Enneagram, it gives us an opportunity to observe and reflect upon our experience through the development of that inner witness. And so after each learning, there's going to be a time to go within and connect with that inner witness. And we hope to really create an opportunity for you to be curious about yourselves and learn about our different ways of being and showing up in this world, and our compulsions, and just how to connect within and be our truer, healthier, happy self. So I look forward to seeing you, and it'll be a real gift to connect with you.
Thank you, Lyndell. And my portion will be the movement portion of the workshop, about a half an hour. And these movements will have some yoga and some other movements such as Kundalini, Kriyas, which is a nice mix of energetic practice. They'll be accessible to everyone and very gentle. So what the point of having this movement is that it mirrors what we're learning with Lyndell, the specifics of the mind, the heart, and the gut. And so we'll be moving our bodies, and there's a word called soma, which means mind and body integration. So that would be the objective of our movement practices, is to take what we've learned in our mind and integrate it a little bit more into our bodies. So we have a more embodied experience of the whole absorption of information. So I'm really looking forward to these sessions, this workshop series with you and with Lyndell, and I hope that you can join us. All the details are below. There's a link to find more info and to register, and I hope to see you there because it's going to be really amazing, and you will learn a lot about yourself, which is forever valuable. So thank you.
Bye. Have a great day.